How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find the QR codes on the Ring Floodlight Camera, which will then look something like this. And so if you have the updated cameras, you could first try heading over to the actual mobile application to see whether if your specific model can be scanned using the QR code onto the phone itself. So you actually want to go ahead and grab yourself the application, and then you just want to point it onto the camera and it will then go ahead and scan the QR code. Now, once again, this is going to be for the newer models. For the old one, you want to go ahead and look for the back of the model. Now, of course, there's a lot of floodlight cameras out there. Some is going to be behind the actual camera, some is going to be on the bottom of the camera, and in some other cases it can be from the original box. So you want to check the following locations that I've mentioned, and from there you will be able to simply find the QR code itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.